Hi, today I'll be making pesto sauce made out of fresh basil leaves. Here are the ingredients. Take 50 grams of fresh basil and wash it properly. Transfer the rinsed and washed basil into a blender jar. Now add 4 cloves of garlic. This recipe calls for nuts. I use walnuts and almonds. Use 1/3 cups of almonds, which are about 20 to 25 almonds. And 1/3 cup of walnuts, which are about 10 to 15 walnuts. Add 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. And add 1/3 cup of olive oil. And finally add salt and pepper to taste. Now blend it smooth. If needed, you can add 1 tablespoon of water to make sure that the pesto blends smoothly. And the pesto sauce is ready. This sauce can be used in multiple ways. You can use it in pasta, pizza, salads, and sandwiches. And you can also use it as a dressing or a dip. Enjoy!